We teach you how to use food in the right amount and way in order to shut down the inflammatory part of your immune system, so that way you can rapidly reverse your symptoms and autoimmune markers, as well as how to create normal immune function.
My joint pain and stiffness in the mornings, I noticed, went away. Yeah, I just feel a lot better, actually.
I went to my primary doctor. I went to the rheumatologist. Like, what can I do to help myself? Well, you can take this medicine. My physician, he said, well, I don't even think there's a food way that you can eat to help yourself. You don't understand how many people I've researched online. I didn't even know something like this program existed. 2 weeks into the program, went back to the doctor and they ran my levels again. And within 2 weeks, the ESR level was back to normal, like in the low range also.
You provide the tools in a very easy to understand and a very logical platform. And I've done a lot of programs, but I only felt good for a short period of time. There was nothing about how to move forward.
Rheumatologist just was looking for another biologic to put me on. And I didn't want to go down that road again after I had that liver trouble. That's why I decided to go this way. You know, I looked at it as two roads. It's either I can go back down the road of the drugs or try this. So.
Having finger pain in my hands, like the joint pains, and that is gone. And then I had eczema, the itching on my face and the peeling and stuff, and that is gone.
And they came back negative, which is great. And it was positive, I think, since 2020, I remember.
Yeah, it was last time when I got my ANA done, it was 1:320. It was a little high. Before that, it was 180, but then it came back high. And now it's gone back to negative. Yeah, I used to have slight heartburn and everything, but I don't have them. So I don't have any of those symptoms that I had before.
I've read a lot of books and I've read a lot of like peer-reviewed journals and things like that, but never come close to what you guys have been doing. It's like night and day. I mean, I keep on saying this is like my new religion. I don't have any symptoms. I have no swelling of my thyroid gland, so I'm not getting any of the swelling. My face was like severely swollen on one side, and I'm not getting that, like the Hashimoto face or the eyes. I have like amazing energy that I never had before. And then the digestive issues, constipation, I'm not waking up at night, no sweating.
It's so inexpensive. My gosh, I would think it was so much. I went somewhere else before and it was the procedures. It was not very convincing. We do this and we do that. And I'm like, it was like, forget it. We're going to go with Oksana. I mean, that was before we talked to you.
Yes.
Once we talked to you, I said, oh, this is it.
Mm-hmm.
Our health, there's no price to it. It's very inexpensive. I'll be honest with you. It's amazing because we're talking about your health, your life, new chapter. You'll be able to do things.